Let's listen to an expert doctor for hypertension in young population along with coronary artery disease and high heart rate. Can we be sure of happy heart? To know more about it, today we have Dr. B.K. Das, MD from Das Clinic, Bhubaneswar. Doctor, can high blood pressure be completely cured?
No, blood pressure cannot be cured. It can be brought to normal with salt and fat restriction, exercise, balanced diet, weight reduction, and medications, which will bring the blood pressure to normal range. So it is a lifelong disease and it cannot be cured. In those cases where there is a transient rise due to some tension, some anxiety, those things are temporary, so they are not permanent. But usually high blood pressure is a permanent disease.
Doctor, has there been a recent increase in the incidence of hypertension and heart attacks among young patients? If yes, what could be the underlying cause?
So in recent times, it has been observed that in people aged 20 to 30 years are also suffering from coronary artery disease. That is due to supply of blood to heart is jeopardized due to deposition of cholesterol inside the wall of the coronary artery, supplying blood to heart muscle. The reason is rising incidence of high blood pressure, high levels of cholesterol in blood and triglyceride in blood.
Doctor, what is the relevance of heart rate in hypertension?
An increase in resting heart rate more than 80 beats per minute is associated with increased risk of hypertension and cardiovascular adverse outcome.
Thank you, doctor, for your time.